Hello and welcome to another exciting tutorial brought to you by PackageStudio.com. My name is Arup, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create this logo of the car company called Audi. You can download this image from the internet as I have done that. So first thing first, there are two ways to import the image into the viewport. The first way is importing it directly into the viewport. The second way is putting a plane and then applying material to it. I think that's a better way. So what I'll do is, first of all, in the front viewport I'll create a plane, and then right click in select and move so that you get it in the center of the viewport point of origin. Next, um, press M. It'll open the Slate Material Editor. This is the in the new version you'll find this Slate Material, and if you are a user of the older versions, you can go to the mode and go to Compact Material Editor. From here, go to Diffuse, select the bitmap, and I know it's in the desktop. While seeing when you're trying to import the image into your material editor, what you have to remember is you have to look at the size. It says 340 into 209. Open. So we have this logo in our material editor. Next, I have to resize the plane. So what I'll do is I'll go to modify. From here I'll try to resize. One thing you have to remember, when it says 340 by 209, what you have to do is you have to switch it in the opposite way. So for the length you would put 209, and then the width would be 340. Okay, now once we are done, I'll assign this. Now you cannot see the material has been assigned, but you cannot see unless you hit this button called show material in the viewport. So now we have this material in the viewport, so you can press F3, Alt W, press G to switch off the grid. Now I want the plane to be locked. So for that, what I'll do is I have to freeze this, but before freezing it, there's one option I would want you guys to remember. You go to object properties. From here, you see an option called show frozen in gray. This should not be checked on, and hit OK, and then right click and freeze selection. Now you cannot select this. Now it's time for us to create this logo. What I'll do is I'll create a circle. The circle is done. Sorry. Next, what you have to do is you have to go to the modify section, and in the rendering, just check enable renderer and enable in the viewport. This would provide thickness to your circle, and from here you can increase the size. Now if you see the logo of the Audi, it's a bit sharp here, but our circle is circular. So what we have to do is we have to decrease the sides. So bring it down to 4. This is done. Next, what I'll do is I'll right click and convert it into an editable poly, and I'll try to apply turbo smooth. Now when you apply turbo smooth, what it does is it smoothens every edge. So for that, what I have to do to tighten the edges, I have to add extra edge. So I'll select this edge, hit this ring button, right click, and I'll use a connect. I have to use two connects, and then I'd spread it out. I think 79 would work fine. Hit OK, select the other edge, hit ring, right click, connect. And now if I use turbo smooth, press turbo smooth, you can see we have clean sharp edge. Next, I'd go to the front viewport, press shift and drag, create a copy. You can use instance here, it's fine. I need 3 more, so one part is done. The next part is for the text. For the text, I would still use the circle. I won't be using the circle, I'd be using the line. Now you'd have to trace this out. Here you see the line retains the previous applied command. So what I have to do is I have to switch this off, enable in renderer, enable in viewport, and then press shift so that you have straight line, and try to
Just see the image and try to trace it out. Okay. I have some issues with your mouse, but I think I can work it out. We'll look
at the corner edges in a moment's time. Okay, now for the rounded edges, I'd go to the vertex. For here, for this I don't need this, so I'd select this line here and then go to Bezier corner. Just smooth it out. Bezier corner. The more time you spend, the better result that you're going to get. Bezier corner again. Next, I'll select the U character, press Bezier corner, try to smooth it out. Bezier corner, Bezier corner, and again Bezier corner. So we are done. I just have to take care of this circle. So I think I can create a circle here. Maybe it needs to be scaled a little bit. Okay, so once we are done, we don't need this plane. The plane is no longer needed. So what I'll do is right click, unfreeze all. I can select, I can delete this. Next, to extrude this, I have to attach everything. So I'd go to modify, from geometry, I'd attach the other parts. And then we have to apply a command called extrude, and then we give some extrusion amount. So press G. If you want, you can animate this. just go to 100, press auto key, sorry, press auto key, and then hold everything, and you can, sorry, for this I need to add a camera to it. So to put a camera, what you have to do is press Ctrl C, and you have a camera here. You can see the camera. What I'll do is press auto key on, and from um, orbit camera, you can just place this. So you have a Audi logo, a 3D Audi logo. I hope you have learned something, and thanks for watching. God bless.